Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am here in Oklahoma City. Alejandro graduated from Fort Sill, Oklahoma. He is in the Army. But anyways, I didn't bring that much makeup. And I wanted to show you guys how you can use, this is just an eyeliner. I'm going to use this for multiple things in my makeup. I'm going to use it for my eyeshadow, for my eyebrows, for my eyeliner, and for my contouring. So let's go ahead and get started. So this one it's just a brown color. It matches my eyebrows, and it has one of these like, what is this called? Like these sponges at the edge. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Get really close to the camera for you girls. And if you're wondering which one this is that I'm using, the brand, this is by Maybelline. I absolutely love this one because as you can see, I barely have to touch. It's called Maybelline Define a Line, color brownish black. Actually, you know what guys, I'm gonna do half my face with, half my face without, so you guys can really see the difference. Wipe off the excess on the sponge and use it to blend my eyebrow. Now you guys can see the difference. Hollowed in the cheek area, eyes look great, eyebrow looks great, so it's like with and then without. I'm going to show you what my eyes look like when they are completed. This is if you're traveling super light and you can't carry a lot of stuff, one eyeliner can do the trick. All I did was put on some mascara and that's it. I'm not wearing foundation or anything else today because it is so freaking humid. So I'm going with a very, very extremely natural look. Guys, I just want to tell you to be really light-handed with this because this is super, super creamy and you put hardly any pressure and it comes out, just glides right on like a gel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.